Curious about where the housing market is headed in 2025? Are you wondering if mortgage rates will finally cool off or if home prices will continue to climb? Stick around because today we're breaking down the expert forecast to help you prepare for your next move.
Welcome back. I'm Alejandra.
And I'm Elias with Empire Fine Homes.
Whether you're looking to buy your first home or sell your current property, understanding these market trends is key. Let's dive into the two biggest factors you should keep an eye on: mortgage rates and home prices.
First up, mortgage rates. After years of dramatic increase, experts project that mortgage rates will start to ease in 2025. Now the decline won't be a straight shot down, so expect some bumps along the way. But overall, lower rates could give you more flexibility in what you can afford.
That's right, Elias. As rates come down, we're likely to see more buyers jumping back into the market. But here's the tip. If you get ahead of the competition now, you could make a move before things really heat up. Talk to your agent about how these shifts are playing out in your local market.
And what about home prices? Good news, while prices are still expected to rise in 2025, experts say that it will be a much more moderate pace, about 2.5% nationally. That's way more manageable than the double-digit growth we've seen in recent years.
Exactly. And even though demand will increase as more buyers re-enter the market, we are also expecting more homes to be listed, which will help keep prices growth in check. But remember, every market is different. Some areas may see faster growth, others slower. That's why working with a local real estate expert is so important.
In conclusion, 2025 is shaping up to be a more balanced year for both buyers and sellers. If you got questions about how these trends might impact your plans, reach out to us. We're here to help you and navigate the market and make the most of these opportunities.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on the housing market. We'll see you on the next video.